Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to talk about how to embed your Business Central in your Microsoft Teams. So there's a Business Central app in your Microsoft Teams which allow you to copy and paste a URL from your Business Central and then you share to your team and they can have a brief overview how it looks like just in Business Central without leaving Business Central. So you can see this new feature was added for public preview on October 1st, 2020. And then it's general available from January 27 this year, 2021. And so basically what you can see is like this. When you copy and paste a link and share with your teams, and your team members can see a brief overview of the items, like whatever items you shared with them in Teams, without leaving Teams. Okay, so let's take a look how you can do this. So first, if you go to your Teams, and then you can go to your apps, and when you go to your apps, then you can search Business Central. Since I already have it installed, and you will see from me when I search my Business Central and click on Business Central link, and it will click on this app, it will tell me to open it. But if your first time you haven't installed this app in your Microsoft Teams yet, then you will see the button will say add. Then you can click on add. Then automatically in the background it will be added to your Microsoft Teams. And what you have to do next, because you want to share with your team, and you can I created a new team just for the testing purpose. So what you can do is like you can click a join or create a team, and create a team and click on from scratch. So I created a private team which is called this name, Test Business Central in Teams. So just create another one which called test. Okay, and then after you create this team, and it will ask you to add member to this team. And so I will skip this step. And so you can see at the bottom of my teams, I have a new team added, and this team is called test. Okay, and so in order to share the link with your team, so you have to go to our Business Central app again. And what you can do is like you search this Business Central app, and after you search the Business Central app, and so usually you don't need to do this step, but sometimes you just want to make sure. So you want to make sure it's available in your Teams, then you can click on that. Okay, and then when you click on open, then it will ask you to sign in. So then you can sign in. I already connected. I signed in with my Business Central credential. So you have to use your Business Central credential to sign in, and then because I already signed in, then you will see this message. Okay. So I just want to, but that's a step you can confirm, like before you paste the link to our Teams, that's a step you can confirm you signed in to our Business Central, you already connect to your Business Central with your Teams. Okay, so now we are good. We can start a new conversation. And when we start a new conversation, we can just go to our Business Central. For example, I'm just going back to my Business Central. And on the item card, on the item list, for example, I want to share this item, and for this item I have the picture for it as well. So I can click on this link from my Business Central, and then I can just copy this link and share with my team. So when I do that, so the people in my Microsoft Teams, they do not need to leave your Teams, leave the Teams, and then they can see an overview of this item. Okay, so that's just a copy this link. In the URL, you just select all, then you copy this link and you paste it to your Microsoft Teams. So this is you are sharing this link. And so right now it doesn't seem to do anything, because if the first time when you share it, you could see this is kind of like this. But I'm doing it from this link I created previously. Okay, so if you copy, so I'm just sending this. So you could see it's like that. And then I'm just copy that again. So this is the link I want to share. And when you send, and it will send like this. It will just populate the information of that link. Instead of only show the first time you do it, you may only see this link, but the next time when you do it, then you will see this link will say item card, Business Central. Then it has the overview of that item when you connect it to your Business Central. Okay, so that's the process how you can embed Business Central in your teams. So then your teams can work on this item. If this is an item you want to discuss with your team, they can just do it. You can make the discussion within your teams, but they do not need to sign in to Business Central to discuss with you. They just everything can everything can be done in your teams. But when you paste the link, you as the initiator, then you have to copy the link from your Business Central, and your team members do not need to leave the teams. Then they can discuss on this with you. Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching this YouTube video. I hope to see you guys again next time.